Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about x equals to u square because we want to cancel the square root in here. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. Next, we need to change the boundaries. So, if x equals to number 0, so we put number 0 colon here, and you got about u equals to number 0. If s go to positive infinity, so in this situation we put positive infinity in here, so u will go to positive infinity. So this one, the bounds we keep the same, and this one we put in here, here and here. The s we change for this one, so we need to simplify. Next, I will put about the limit, and b will goes to positive infinity, and so we have the integration from 0 to b. So we have 2u multiplied with u, we got about 2u square. And this one in here, this is about identities, so you got about u square plus 2 everything to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by parts. So we got about v equals to u, so you got about dv equals to du, because I need to separate this one into u with u. And the next one we got about dt equal to 2u over u square plus 2 everything to the power of 2, and we have du. So if we do the integration of this one, you got about t equals to negative 1 over u square plus 2. And now we got this one, so we still have the limit in here. So we have u multiplied with this one, because v multiplied by t, so you got about negative u over u square plus 2, and we have the bounds from 0 to b. Because we have the negative sign here, so you got about positive, and we have the integral from 0 to b. So for the first one, you will got about negative b over b square plus 2 plus 0 over 0 square plus 2. We know that this one you got about 0 when we go to positive infinity. So this one we divide with b squared on numerator and denominator. So this one you got about 1 over b. This one you got about 1. When we go to positive infinity, 1 divided to positive infinity, you got about 0. Similar for this one go to 0. So that means this one you got about 0 and 0. So in this situation, you got everything 0 in here. So we got this one left. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of number 2 tan t. So we got about du equals to the square root of number 2 secant of t squared dt. Next, we need to change the bounds. When u equals to number 0, so we put number 0 go in here, and we know that t should be equals to number 0 when u equals to b. So we put b in here, and we got about t equal to r tan of b divided to square root of number 2. The reason I choose about square root of number 2 tan t, if we put this one in here, you got about 2 tan t squared, number 2 and number 2, we can do about factorization. Tan t squared plus 1 after we do factorization. We change for secant of t squared and we simplify with du, and du that's about this one. So number 0 is still number 0. B we change for this one. U we change for this one. Du we change for this one. And with this one we got about 2 tan t squared. Number 2 and number 2 we can do about factorization. And this one we change for secant of t squared. We simplify secant of t squared on numerator and denominator. And now we got the final answer. So we put this one for t, number 0 for t. So this one you got about 0. So when t go to positive infinity, this one go to positive infinity, this one go to positive infinity, all time of positive infinity, you got about b over 2. And we got a final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.